Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for global markets and commodities. In this analysis, with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, we'll be looking into major global indices and commodities including gold, silver, oil, natural gas, and indices including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, Germany 40 and Nifty. This will decide the direction for the day. We will try to find out the entries, the take profit and the stop losses as well. Everything I am going to tell you in next few minutes. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest analysis. The next update will be out just before the US cash session. So press the bell icon. Now let's start the day with gold first. So didn't I tell you that remain long on gold till above 1940 for the week and 1950 yesterday? In yesterday's video, I told you very specifically that above 1950 gold will try to hit 1970, 1978 zone. Precisely it achieved 1978, now trading with a rise again. Now look at this, right now gold trading at 1968. If you look at the 4-hour charts, it is still trading with this upward trending channel. And if you look at the long-term channel here, see this was the base it is created. After this, it is taken this slope. Now with this as slope, again the high at around 1978, 1981 is there for the day and the support at around 1960. So yes, with the support at 1960, gold may rise again. However, see it is overbought, little bit overbought, and we need to be very cautious. Right now it appears that it may try to look upwards again, but let's have a look with the help of further charts. See, also look at this previous two candles. It has tried to create base at 1965. One candle tried to breach it and now again trading with a rise. So I'll be cautious at 1965 levels. 4-hour stochastic looking downwards. However, it is still bullish on MACD and white divergent RSI near to overbought, not overbought here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts too, see after a minor retracement taking support at 1964, it is trying to reverse, and hence if you see it trading above 1971, you can go long. So if it trades at 1971, you can go long again. Then the target should be at around 1980 levels, and then beyond that also it will try to fly again. Now the stronger support now lies at around 1954 levels for gold. So even if it tries to break, only short entry is below 1960 levels. Rather, I'll say 1962 itself, you can take a short entry. Below that, 1960 is going to be the support. Then 1954 will come into the picture. 3-hour stochastic is still looking down. MACD white divergent and still bullish. RSI comfortable there but looking upwards and trying to enter into overbought zone. Similarly on the 2-hour chart, it has taken a base at 1965 now, and till the time it remains above 1965 and 1960 zone, we can expect higher highs on the cards for gold here on the daily charts. Now looking at the daily charts, if you find, see now it is trading again above the 20-50-100 moving average, but my worry point is it is at the top of the Bollinger Bands out here and still has got some cushion for it to rise till 1980 levels. So probably even if it tries to, till the time it remains above 1965, we can expect it to hit 1980 levels. Now look at the daily charts here. The strong support zone is at 1940, as I have always told that 1940 is going to remain the strong support zone here. Now look at this, it is trying to trade in this channel. Even if it tries to drop here at 1960 levels and 1957 levels, it will try to get a strong support. Now also look at this, the next resistance at 1980 and then at 1990 levels are there at the top of this channel. Also look at the previous candles. See, on the previous candle you will find a smaller body, bigger body, and there is a strong wick out there, hardly with any tail available. Now this time it is started with a tail, so probably it may try to rise a bit. It can try to achieve lower highs, which may be at around 1975, 1977 zone, and can swing. Even if it tries to trade, it may try to swing in between this zone, that is 1960 to 1977. So yes, you can remain long today with the support at 1960. You can expect 1977 on the cards, and how it behaves at 1977 and 1980, that will decide the direction for the day. Any rise above 1980 will be a very good level to go long again. So you may try to exit at 1977 and re-enter again at 1980. That is also very much possible. Skip for these 3 points. and take your positions accordingly. Any drop below 1960, 1957 is the only level which it might try to achieve, and then 1954. So I'll recommend rather to go short at 1962 itself. You can go short at 1962. The nearest resistance at 1960, 1957, 1954 and 1950 will come into picture. Below that it may break sharply towards 1940 levels. However, I don't expect that it is going to drop that far, as I have always maintained my status on gold. I am still bullish, but yes, there is a concern here. It is overbought here on the stochastic, and the MACD has just crossed over, so wide divergent, and hence indicating bullishness here in gold. So probably it may try to hit 1977 today. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now look at silver. I have been shouting on silver that since the time it is about 2460, I told very clearly that it may try to give you a strong rise. Now see the body size consistently rising, and today again with the support at 2540, I think it may try to hit 2580 levels or so. Probably, in fact, it can try to go and hit 2600 before looking forward to a drop. 2500 is a major support zone. However, silver is overbought, but the MACD has just crossed over and entered into buy zone for last two candles, so indicating strong bullishness here. Now look at the 4-hour charts here. On the 4-hour charts too, 2535 is a level which is trying to give it a support. With the support at 2535, it is again trying to rise here. The next resistance at 2580 is there. So yes, one can remain long till the time it is about 2535. Below 2535, you can expect a little drop which might take it towards the next support zone. So below 2535, the target is 2520 and 2500, which will remain a larger resistance on the upside. Till the time it is about 2535, we can expect 2580 levels today itself. Silver stochastic on the 4-hour charts near to overbought, MACD lines running parallel, RSI near to overbought. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts too, you can find 2535 giving it a support. With this as support, it may try to rise a bit. This is the first green candle after this minor retracement. Hence, you can expect a little more green candle where you can expect 2580, 2570 is the first target. 2570 is the first target, then 2575 and then 2580. This zone at 2570 to 80 is going to remain critical. Beyond that, we will see 2600 again on silver. One can remain long with the stop losses 2535. 3-hour stochastic overbought, hence a little cooling is required, but when it will drop, that we need to see. MACD lines running parallel and are bullish. So take your positions accordingly. It appears that till the time it remains about 2535 today, we can remain long on silver. We can expect 2560, 2570, 2575, 2580. This zone between 2570 to 2580 again will remain crucial. Beyond that, we will see 2600 today on silver. Take your positions accordingly. Below 2535, the next target is 2520, which is a strong support, and 2500 the strongest support on silver. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at oil. Oil has shown a sharp rise yesterday, as I told that go long above $97 and we may see $100 levels. That is what has happened. I hope you all profited. Now look at this on the 3-hour charts. The support here, it is trading out of the Bollinger Bands. That is what is available. 100 period moving average on the 3-hour charts is around 100.5. Now the support at $100 is very critical for oil. If it breaks the $100 support, then we will expect, see, 99 and then 98 and $97 levels. These three zones, this zone is very, very important for oil to sustain the bullish position. Till the time it remains above 98, we can expect it to continuously rise. But however, right now it is trading out of the Bollinger Bands, indicating that probably it may fall back again in the zone. 3-hour stochastic overbought, MACD are wide divergent. See, it is wide divergent. It has to converge, and hence we can expect couple of red candles in oil. RSI is comfortable on the 4-hour charts too. Look at the 4-hour charts. But on the 4-hour chart, see, higher lows are there, higher highs are there. So $102 and $100 level. Once you see it trading above this zone, which is a very strong resistance at 101.2, you can go long there. You can expect $102 levels. At the same time, if you see it trading below $100 levels, you can directly go short for 99.2 and 99, and then it below that it may try to hit rather 97.5 and 98.5 and $98 levels also. So yes, going short below 100 is a call. overbought, extremely overbought on the 4-hour charts, MACD wide divergent and hence need convergence. So probably we are looking forward to a drop from here. A little drop can be expected, but $98 levels should provide a very strong support for oil for the day. Now look at this, the oil has taken support. I have always maintained that this zone at 95 and then the levels at $90, this zone is a very strong support for oil, and that is what has happened with the support at 95. It is given a strong rise. Any move beyond 101.2 you can remain long, and then the target is towards 102, 103.5, 104. So go long above 101.2, there you can expect it to rise. Go short below $100 levels, there you can expect 99, 98.8, 98, and then it may drop further on the downside towards $97 levels. Take your positions accordingly on crude oil. On the daily charts, the crude oil is stochastic is near to oversold, and hence we can expect a little rise. MACD trying to converge and crossover. Hence, if you see it rising for next couple of days, you should not mind it. We may see a stronger rise on crude oil. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. See, NG has almost achieved the $7 levels, but I felt minutely shy of the targets, and that was the target we had shared, that it may try to hit $7 levels before trying to drop. Now look at the 4-hour charts. See how beautifully it is getting the support here at 6.7. Higher lows consistently on the charts. Now if you see it trading below here at 6.7, rather I will say 6.68. Below 6.68 you can go short. The support at around 6.58 should come into picture, which is a strong support for NG. So below 6.68 you can expect a little drop, which may try to take it towards 6.58 and $6.5 levels. Below that we may see a stronger drop towards 6.4. 4-hour stochastic near to oversold. MACD has just crossed over on the sell side. RSI is comfortable but near to overbought zone. 3-hour charts indicating that once it breaks 6.68 we may see a good drop. Till the time it remains above 6.68, it is trying to consolidate here. See, it is getting a very strong support here at 6.6. Trading below 6.68 only you can expect 6.6, 6.58 and $6.5 levels. And on the upside, till the time if you see it trading above this zone at 6.75, then yes you can expect 6.8, and then below that above 6.8 definitely we may see a stronger rise on NG. 3-hour stochastic near to oversold. MACD has just crossed over, wide divergent and still on sell side. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts you can find it is trading in red, and the next candle for it is yet to start. So we may see a red candle again, which may try to take it towards at least this zone, that is 6.5. At least it may try to achieve, and then it may try to cool down a bit towards 6.45 also. So take a short entry below 6.68. Then the strongest support at 6.6 and 6.5 should come into picture. Below that we may see a good drop till towards 6.45 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Any rise above 6.8 is yes a good indication where you can go long for 6.9, 7, and in fact it may try to go well beyond 7 levels. It has to achieve $7 levels, and one can expect that beyond that also it may try to trade. So trade above 6.8, long above 6.8, short below 6.68. MACD wide divergent, stochastic overbought, extremely overbought, and RSI is extremely overbought. So we may see a drop. We can expect 6.6, $6.5 levels on NG today. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nifty. See, Nifty has breached a strong support at 17,500. However, with this at support, it is still trying to trade. See, 3 or 4 breakout candles here, which has got support at 17,400, and now with the 17,500 as support, it is trying to rise, and this time we can again expect it to go till towards 17,600 and 17,700 levels. These levels can be achieved. This is a minor reversal which is trying to happen, and probably till the time it remains above 17,500, and rather I will say 17,450, it can try to reverse a bit. The next target should be at around 17,550, 17,600, and in fact it can try till it can rise till towards 17,700 levels, which may be a very strong support. So Yes, with the support at 17,450, it may try to give you a rise. 17,600 is the next target. 17,650 is the next target. Beyond that, it may try to hit 17,700 also. This is kind of a minor reversal and retracement which is trying to begin. And if you connect the dots from here on the 4-hour charts, the target should be in the near term should be at around 17,700, which it may try to achieve, and from there the drop should begin. That is my expectation. See, it is trading in this channel, and hence 17,700 can be expected. From there the drop can begin. On the 4-hour stochastic, looking downwards and in comfortable zone right now, neither overbought nor oversold. MACD trying to converge and cross over on the buy side. RSI looking upwards here. Now let's have a look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, similar is the story. It is trying, see, one drop, double bottom, minor retracement. So it is forming the double bottom out there, and now the retracement has to achieve at least 17,700 before looking forward to any drop. This is the channel highs, and hence you can remain long on Nifty today with the support at 17,400. We can expect it to rise. I think we may see a rise again on Nifty. Till the time it remains above 750, one can remain long on Nifty today. Probably the next target, if not today, then tomorrow 17,700 should get achieved. 3-hour stochastic looking upwards. MACD trying to converge and crossover. RSI comfortable there. Look at the daily charts now. On the daily charts, now look at the daily chart. This zone here at 17,550 is a little resistance. 20 period exponential average and 20 period simple average, which may give it a little resistance. So yes, one can remain long above 17,550. Don't trade between 17,550 and 17,450 zone. Here in between 17,550 and 17,450, be a little bit cautious. However, I will still expect it to rise. The target should be at around 17,600, 650 and then 17,700 levels. If not today, then tomorrow possibly this will try to achieve 17,700 levels. This is what we can see here. And daily stochastic oversold, and hence a bounce back can be expected. MACD is wide divergent here and still on sell, and hence this could be a retracement, but then followed with a drop, that is for sure. If not today, then tomorrow possibly. So yes, retracement till towards 17,700 can be expected. One can go long above 17,550 levels, and then you can expect it to rise. Don't trade between 17,550 and 17,450 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US 30. See, US 32 has seen lower highs on this channel. Also, it has formed a double bottom on the 4-hour charts. Hence, a drop, rise, drop. Now, it may try to rise again. The high could be at around 34,600. The first resistance it has to surpass is at around 34,400 levels. Beyond that, 34,500, 34,550, 600 is achievable, and it may try to achieve this before looking forward to any further drop. Right now, it is taking a support at around 34,100 levels. With this as support, it is trying to rise. So, yes, you can remain long on US 30 today. And probably a short entry below 34,250 is only recommended. If it breaks 34,250, you can expect it to drop. Else, I will expect it to hit 34,500 the first target, 34,550 and 34,600 as the next targets for US 30. 4-hour stochastic looking downwards there. MACD trying to converge and cross over on the buy side. RSI looking upwards here. Similarly, on the 3-hour charts, you can find this is the second green candle. You can clearly see, it is taking a support, very strong support at 34,100. Now the support at 34,200 is there, and that is why I say only short entries below 34,250, below which you can expect it to drop. Else, it is trying to retrace back from here. The target is towards 34,550, 34,600 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD trying to cross over on the buy side here. So this is on the 3-hour charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts now. On the daily charts again, see, previous candle, if you consider, that is a indecision candle closing in red. It is trying to achieve the highs there. So probably it may try to achieve 34,600, and the short entry below 34,200 can be taken, where it may try to go till towards, this is the 50 period moving average, this is the 20 period moving average. So it is trying to trade in between 34,700 to 34,100 levels. We may see it again swinging it a bit. However, today we may see a bullish rise. Till the time it remains above 34,250, one can remain long. Daily stochastic looking downwards, MACD white divergent, and from here a little convergence is required. That is why we can expect a green candle today. And my target is 34,600 levels, which it may try to achieve. The first resistance at 34,500, then 34,550, 600, 650 and 700 will come into picture. Every 50 points after 34,500 there is a little resistance. However, one can remain long till the time it is above 34,250. With the stop loss at 34,250, one can remain long. The target is 34,500, 600, 650 zone. Take your positions accordingly. Now, on the downside, if it breaks 34,250, you can go short. 34,100 is the support. Below that, we may see a sharper correction. However, I am of the opinion that we may see a rise again. Daily stochastic looking upwards, MACD trying to converge here. RSI neither showing any signs, so take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 and US 30 showing similar signs. However, only one observation to make: 13,900 very strong support. However, it has tried to breach it once. Now trading reversing from here, we can expect at least 14,900 is given it, 13,900 has given it a support. Now it is trying to reverse from here. Lower highs should be achieved. It can come back till towards first target 14,100. Once it breaks 14,100, we may see 14,200 again, which is going to remain a fairly strong support here. There is a strong resistance at 14,200 levels. So yes, first target 14,100, which may try to get achieved, and then 14,200 will come into picture. One can remain long till the time it is above 13,950. We can expect a rise till towards 14,100, 14,200 zone. 4-hour stochastic looking downwards. 4-hour MACD has converged and crossover indicating bullishness here, and RSI was oversold, now trying to come back to the comfort zone. Now look at this on the 3-hour charts. This is the third green candle. Look at the slope here. Probably this time we may see it going till towards 14,100 and 200 zone. This candle is going to remain fairly large, and with the stop loss at 14,000, we can remain long here, and one can expect it to rise. My target is towards 14,100 and 200 zone. It can try to come back till there, and in fact, see, this is kind of double bottom here. We may see a further more upward move till the time it remains above 14,000 now. So yes, you can go long with the stop loss at 14,000. One can expect 14,100, 200, and in fact it can fairly rise beyond those levels. 3-hour stochastic near to oversold, MACD white divergent, and RSI comfortable there. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you'll find, see, previous candle, larger wick, smaller tail, indicating the bears are not very much there in control, and neither the bulls were. Similarly, with the support at 13,950, it may try to hit 14,200, which is going to remain the next high, and beyond that we may see it rising till towards 14,300 levels also. I am bullish here on Nasdaq 100 with the support at 14,000 now. You can remain long, and then 13,950 is going to remain the fairly strong support. Below that we can expect a drop till towards 13,900, and below that only we can expect it to remain bearish, else it is trying to trade with a bullish move. We can expect 14,200 on the cards at least today. Yes, you can take your positions accordingly, but till the time it remains above 13,950 and 14,000 levels only. Now look at the daily stochastic. It was oversold, now trying to enter into overbought zone, and MACD is white divergent, trying to converge here. So probably we may see a little rise. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at FTSE 100. See, FTSE 100 on the daily charts, I have always maintained 7540 is a very strong support. With the support at 7540, and this retracement is being completed. Now the next support is 7550, 7560, and till the time it remains above 7550, 7560, we can expect that it may try to come back to 7600 levels. So yes, with the support at 7560, one can remain long on FTSE 100. One can expect 7600, 7610 levels. Daily stochastic is, see, MACD has just crossed over and into sell side, so probably we may see a little red candle. However, we have to see how it behaves today. RSI not showing any signs. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at, see, on the 4-hour charts, I have always maintained 7540 is a very strong support. With this as support, it is trying to rise. However, one can only go long once you see it trading above 7580, beyond 7580 and 75. See, still you can remain long beyond 7580, where the next target is 7590, 7600, 7610. These three levels are going to remain fairly important for FTSE 100, and the support at 7560. So probably you can remain long above 7560. The target is 758090 and 7610 levels. It can try to achieve 7610 today. 4-hour stochastic looking upwards here, MACD trying to converge and crossover, and may enter into buy zone. So yes, we can remain long on FTSE 100 with the support at 7560 levels. Look at the 3-hour charts, 7540 trying to give it a support, the channel high at around 7580. So yes, 7560, above 7560 we can expect 7580 levels, and beyond that it may try to hit 7600 and 7610 levels. Similarly, on the daily chart, similar is the observation, and the strong support at 7560 is the call today. Till the time it remains above 7560, one can remain long on FTSE 100. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Germany 40. Similarly, Germany 40 trying to give it a rise here. You can see 14,000, you can see 14,050. So now with the support at 14,050, also look at the channel highs here. The channel highs are very much at 14,100, 14,120. So yes, you can remain long on 14 above 14,100. The next target is 14,160, 14,200. So this zone at 14,200 is going to remain fairly strong resistance for Germany 40. It is trying to squeeze in between this zone 1400 to 14,100. Don't trade between 14,000 to 14,120 levels, and beyond 14,120 you can expect 14,180, 200, and in fact it can try to give you a strong rise till towards 14,300 also probably. MACD trying to converge here and look downwards on the 4-hour charts, and MACD trying to converge and crossover, stochastic looking upwards, and RSI also looking upwards there. 3-hour charts, probably we may see a third green candle. Look at this, consistently lower highs, and the body has to be larger, hence one can remain long here on FTSE Germany 40 with the support at 14,040. You can remain long. The target is 14,120, 14,200. So take your positions accordingly. 3-hour stochastic again looking upwards. MACD has just crossed over and it's wide and divergent. RSI looking upwards there. And if you look at the daily stochastic is also, daily charts are also indicating the same. It may try to hit this zone, which is fairly situated at around 14,200 and 14,300 levels, and then beyond that also is very much possible. It can try to achieve the channel high here at 14,300, 350 zone. It is seen a bottom there. So probably today with the support at around 14,040, you can remain long on Germany 42. The target is 14,200, 14,300 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Stochastic also looking at bottom, so maybe we can see a rise. MACD try to converge and crossover and enter into buy side. Take your positions accordingly. I am bullish on Germany 40. We can expect 14,200, 14,250 levels, and the support at 14,000 is very much existent. Only bearishness is below 14,000 levels only. Take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Like and appreciate my effort. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. My email and telegram IDs are mentioned in the description. You can be part of my VIP signals and learning group. Reach out to me for details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.